Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Basic Tutorial Special and Visual Effects. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fly using Windows Live Movie Maker. So as you can see in my raw footage, I have just a video of me jumping, pretending to fly, and I also have a picture of my background with nothing in it. And basically what I do, first step is always go to the point before I jump when I'm in the air, before I start descending, and I take a snapshot like that. I already have my snapshot saved here. Next thing I do is open up Microsoft Paint and paste the background image and also the picture of you in the air. And this is where the fun starts. I'm just going to go to the select tab and go to freeform selection and just do a quick mask. Carry it. Try as much as possible to fit it to the area where it was last. That's going to be tricky. So you should at least have a mark of where you were, so it would be easy for you to average. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to raise it up, carry it up out here. Basically that's the trick. After you paste it in, you just raise it up because you're flying, so you want to bring up yourself, and then you just take a snip of it. I'm using the snipping tool. And you just select the frame and save it. I'll just save that as one. And now I'll just undo what I just did, do over the mask. It's a bit tedious, but in the end result, you just might be comfortable with how it turns out. So you carry it back. You don't want to make too little movements because flying is a fast movement. The more movements you make is the longer it takes, so you want to make as little movements as possible since this is a fast motion. And you go back with the snipping tool. So now we're going to animate it like a stop motion. See, there we go. It looks pretty cool, I must say. Now we just put it into Movie Maker all. So let's look for the point where I jump. Right here, delete that. And let's animate. So basically what you do, you set the video tools, the duration to 0.06. So let's see how it looks. It's decent. And go. Oh, what I did notice is that there's this black line here, which was really my fault because I didn't snip it properly. I got the outside of the frame, which I shouldn't have. Like this, there's no black line here, but there's a black line here. So that's one thing you have to make sure to get properly. So thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, give this video a like and a thumbs up, leave a comment, tell me what you think, and check out the other videos on this channel. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.